Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to transfer data from old phone to Vivo. If you are using a Vivo phone and now you want to transfer data from your old phone to your new phone, so let's see how can you do this. You must have to look for EasyShare app in your phone. If you don't get in your phones, you just have to install it and then open it. And here you will get two options, which is file transfer or device clone. You just have to select device clone, and then if you are using this app in your old phones, you just select this is an old device, but if you are using it in new phones, you just select new device. As I'm going to select old device, just select it, and then you have to scan QR code, but you just have to select this is a new device. First you have to do a setup in this section, your new phone. Just tap on it and then select your phone, as I'm going to select Android, and here it will generate a QR code. You just have to scan this QR code on the other device. So after doing this, your all data will be transferred and you will be able to use your to get your old data from your new phone. So that's how you can easily transfer data from old phone to Vivo. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.